Welcome to the Linear Technology LTC7860 video product brief. I am your host, Bruce Haug, a member of the Product Marketing Group, and I will be introducing you to this high-efficiency switching surge stopper and highlight a few of its unique features and benefits. The 7860 is a high-efficiency switching surge stopper with overvoltage and overcurrent protection for high availability systems. During normal operation, the 7860 turns on an external P-channel MOSFET continuously, 100% duty cycle, to pass the input voltage through to the output with minimum conduction loss. During an input overvoltage condition, the 7860 controls the external MOSFET to operate as a high-efficiency switching DC to DC regulator to protect critical downstream components by limiting the output voltage and current. Furthermore, under normal operation, an LTC7860 base design also provides an inherent LC-EMI filter. The 7860 builds on our popular linear surge stoppers such as the LTC4363 by offering high-efficiency switching protection to extend the output current capability and reduce power loss during transients and faults. The power handling capability of a surge stopper is limited by the power lost in the protection device. In a linear surge stopper, the power capability is determined by the size of the pass MOSFET, while in a switching surge stopper, the power capability is determined by the conversion efficiency. Due to its lower power loss, a switching surge stopper can operate through longer input voltage surges at higher output currents than a linear solution. The 7860 has an input voltage operating range of 3.5 to 60 volts, which can be extended with external circuitry up to 200 volts and higher. A programmable fault timer limits the time spent in overvoltage mode and keeps the switching surge stopper below a safe peak operating temperature when power loss is at its highest levels. The fault timer reduces system cost and size by optimizing component selection for normal mode rather than overvoltage transients and fault conditions. In mil standard 1275 applications, the 7860 protects devices operating from a 28-volt vehicle power bus, which can reach as high as 100 volts for up to 500 milliseconds. The 7860 is ideal for industrial, avionics, automotive power applications, including ISO 7637, as well as positive high voltage distributed power hot swap systems. The 7860 is available in a thermally enhanced 12-lead MSOP package. 4 temperature grades are available, with operation from -40 to 125 C for extended industrial grades, a high-temp automotive grade of -40 to 150 C, and a military grade from -55 C to 150 C. This slide shows a typical 7860 application schematic that converts a 3.5 volt to 60 volt, 12 volt nominal, input to an 18 volt max, 12 volt nominal, and 3.5 volt minimum output. This slide shows the input surge voltage, associated 18 volt adjustable clamp voltage, and timer voltage waveforms for the circuit shown in slide 4. This slide shows a comparison of the 7860 to the 4363, 4356, and 4366 linear surge stoppers. The 7860 can clamp a high voltage surge for a longer period of time due to it being a high efficiency switching surge stopper that reduces the power dissipation. In addition, the 7860 has a built-in EMI filter under normal operation that is useful in many applications, whereas the linear surge stoppers do not have a built-in EMI filter. The linear surge stoppers use an external N channel, whereas the 7860 uses an external P channel MOSFET. The 7860 operates up to 60 volts, the 65 volt ABS max surge, and higher with an external clamp. The 4363 and 4356 operate up to an 80 volt, 100 volt ABS max surge, and higher with an external clamp. The LTC4366 is on a floating ground that can operate up to an unlimited surge voltage. The 7860 is ideal for automotive, industrial, telecom, and military applications. For more information and samples, visit these websites or contact your local sales office.